What's the meaning of Associated Press? Associated Press. Associated Press.
Associated Press. Associated Press. The Associated Press, AP, is an independent, non-profit news agency based in the United States. It was founded in 1846 and is one of the largest and most respected news organizations in the world. The AP provides global news coverage and maintains relationships with media outlets across the globe to distribute its content. It employs thousands of journalists and photographers who cover breaking news stories, as well as events in politics, business, sports, and entertainment. The AP is known for its unbiased reporting and adherence to journalistic principles.